Good Sunday morning. It is the 6th of July, 2025. It's going to be a okay day. It's going to get hotter. It's going to start getting more humid. We did have a tropical storm, Chantal, that went into the coastal part of South Carolina. Also, my heart is super heavy. I cannot believe what happened in Kerr County, Texas. Just tragedy after tragedy with that crazy flash flood down there. Heart is heavy for all those involved. I just can't imagine sending my kids away and having them swept away by floodwaters. Uh, I mean, it's just awful. Um, so focusing back on the weather now, this low pressure here with the leftovers of Chantal, the tropical storm, will bring a lot of moisture to the region. So our humidity is going to pop back up, and with that will come scattered showers and thunderstorms as soon as tomorrow. Originally, it looked like it was going to be a little bit later. But now, due to the way that it is pumping moisture, we should get a chance of showers and thunderstorms starting even late tonight into tomorrow. So as we kind of move forward, you can see the low pressure system kind of opening up, but it's bringing moisture in our direction. And with that, and the heating tomorrow could bring scattered showers and thunderstorms, as well as a little bit of a front kind of coming through here. Tuesday, still another chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms, especially late in the day, as you see here. With the moisture around, they could be quite heavy rainers, so we'll have to see there. That clears up overnight, and then again on Wednesday, good chances of showers and thunderstorms, because this moisture is just kind of hanging out in this area now. So we're just staying moist and ready. So we get daytime heating, it pops off the thunderstorms, and here we are into Thursday with a better chance of rain, even a low pressure system possibly forming in the area. So that rain kind of moves through, and we're staying unsettled right into next weekend with a good chance of afternoon showers and storms. Very summery, very good that we're not going to be in a drought situation, but crazy how many afternoon and evening showers and storms are just popping up all the way through Sunday. Just staying very humid as well, so it's going to feel sticky. No matter how cool or hot it is, the stickiness is going to stick around with the southerly winds, a lot of moisture hanging around, and unsettled weather. So there are chances we could see localized flooding in these situations, especially because of all the amounts of rain. And then finally, maybe we get a little bit of dryness for a day, but then more rain. And then this would be a cool down late in the period. I have no idea if this is going to come true. If so, this is high out of Canada. So by late or mid to late July, maybe we cool off a little bit, and then maybe some more moisture from the south. So what does that look like temperature-wise? Realistically, it's going to be above normal. And the reason why is because we're going to have a blanket over us every single night. So with all the humidity around and the fact we're kind of up around 90 or so, we're not going to cool off too much in the evenings or overnight. So with that in mind, overnight lows will be very warm. Daytime highs will be warm and humid, but with afternoon showers and thunderstorms, I will keep it from getting as hot as it could be at times. So as you see the temperatures, you're wondering, well, okay, it looks like it's below normal. At night, it will be above normal because the clouds will keep it from cooling off. And in the daytime, with clouds around, we could pop below normal. Nothing looking extreme. To me, this looks like it averages at or slightly above normal. And I think that's what the Climate Prediction Center hits. Now, here's that long-term high-pressure, cool air mass coming down. We'll have to see if this comes true. This is way, 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 way far off in the future. But if it does, for late July to have a cool down like that would be pretty darn amazing. Don't think it's going to happen, but we'll see. All right, so I'm just going to go over the total precipitation from the forecast models, which will be different than when the actual prediction is. So let's don't get hung up on the fact that that's the case. So I'm going to go all the way out here to about a week away and see that there's a lot of rain this forecast is on the models, maybe 4 to 6 inches of rain. So quite a bit of precipitation from these showers and storms. And it will matter. Do we get the showers and storms over top of us? And that's going to matter whether or not you get a heavy amount of rain. Even this could be low if we get repeating strong showers and storms at any point in time. So what is the Weather Prediction Center showing over the next 7 days? Yeah, quite a bit of rain, even here, 2 to 3 inches. So it's going to be a wet period, honestly, if you got to get yard work done. Today may be the last dry day to do it for a while. Our lawns are going to be disleavening. If you've had a garden planted, I think you have to worry about more is the mold and mildew or mold and fungus situation more than the actual watering, which is a crazy turn of events from last year. So yeah, very, very wet conditions. The long range forecast here is looking at the temperatures they're expected. Above normal, not super above normal, but above normal for the 6 to 10, as well as the 8 to 14 day period. And of course, precipitation is going to be above normal in both of those times. More likely the next six to 10 days versus later in the period. All right, so that is what we have. Again, if you have a chance to donate or to help flood victims down in Central Texas, I'll send you a link or two there. I'm just, devastated by what I heard and what I saw. All right, have a good Sunday, a good week. This is your Loudoun County Weather Outlook.